Ramadita Bawah, absen number 27 from the 90. I want to share video about how to make honey roasted chicken. For the ingredients, the first, chicken. The second, 1 seed garlic. The third, 1 seed of ginger. The fourth, soy sauce, orange leaves, a half seed of cloves, and then 1 seed of bay leaves, and then a half of teaspoon of cumin smoke, and 1 seed of shell. For the step by step, the first, wash the chicken that has been cut with the line, and then wash with the water. Then prepare the oil. And then fry the chicken with oil until half cooked. Then clear the ingredients like onion, shallot, and the louse. Wash the oil leaves, bay leaves, and then onion, shallot, or garlic. Fry the chicken until it has been cooked. Remove and drain. After that, mix the ingredients like this: shallot, garlic, and then boil it. Put the soy sauce 4 teaspoons. Put the chicken with the mixture. And then fry until it has 1 teaspoon, and then put the sugar 2 teaspoons. Okay, mix and fry until it has been cooked. For the chicken has been cooked, then dry it. Drain it one by one. Drain it until it's been cooked. Place the finished honey roasted chicken is be served. For the second video, I want to tell you about how to make Manado ice. For the ingredient, the first, ice cup. The second, liquid sugar. The third is 1 sachet of milk, and then a 1/4 ounce of sour sauce, and then 1 seed of avocado, and then 1 seed of coconut, then a 1/4 ounce of basil, 1 sachet of nata de coco, 1 cup of jelly. For the step by step, the first, prepare all ingredients. The second, blend the sour sauce until smooth. The third, cut the avocado. And then, boil the liquid sugar with the 1 glass of water. And then mix the sour sauce, basil, and the all ingredients. And then add the avocado, nata de coco, and the jelly. Then pour the basil. And then mix until blended. And then pour the milk into Manado ice. For the finish, put the ice cap. Manado ice is ready to be served.